Gatimo. Ngatho James Gatimo na tugitigana na riboti yo ni ati kuringana na mubango wa urigiti utari mahi wa Sha no urakora mubango uyu ni uremetwo kuguna a Kenya uria wathiriirio iratathi-ini wagikana ukunderu wa mbeca gucererwo kwa marihi mathibitari-ini ungumania ni imwe cia itumi iria iracokia Sha na thutha maracungiriria Kenya kwaga motungata kana rimwe kuriha mbeca iria Sha yaremirwo na kungi mathibitari makeyeherania na Sha. Oho mathibitari ni morotetwo ni guthoga rithiti cia arwaru niguo Sha imarihe mbeca nyingi na oho kuhe arwaru dawa kana motungata matabatie itanya-ini iria gukama Sha mbeca.
Yes, this package is quite ambitious and expensive. And no doubt, obviously, this raises certain risks. If you have such an ambitious package that outpaces the finances that we have as a country, and we've seen funding gaps, so I've taken you through each of the three, and also the ability of the system to manage this. If those two are outpaced by this ambition, then obviously that would raise certain risk. And that's what we have in the main complaints that you get, particularly from private health facilities, that the tariffs do not reflect the real cost of service. So that has been mentioned with regard to optical services, dental services. Tariffs are actually standardized, ignoring variations by facility, by location, patient volume, and case. So facilities have different volumes, and so that obviously means that the costing is different from one that has a lower volume. Case loads may also vary, so there is need to be sensitive to those kind of variation.